Hey everyone, well, what a week we've had. I have plucked out 15 indexes, not necessarily the normal ones we go through, to kind of catch up with where things are and just some observations. I frankly have no earthly idea what I'm going to generate for content this weekend. Last weekend, I took you through all 90 different short ideas. That list is actually up to 99 now for you gold and platinum folks to go through. But I don't think there's a lot of value in rehashing all of that. So yeah, not sure what to do. Maybe put up funny cat photos or something. I have no idea. But now I've got an idea, which is just to talk about these indexes. But I don't think that'll last you for 3 days. Well, that's my problem, not yours. So let's go through these and I'll just kind of extemporaneously share whatever comes to mind. This first one is the All World Index. Very comprehensive, goes back to the 90s. And I think that what we have witnessed over the past, how long has it been? About a year, is a top like we haven't seen since the financial crisis. This top here has a remarkable resemblance in form, length, size to what we saw here. In addition to the fact that it was on the heels of a tremendous run-up in price. Just saying. It, if I haven't even done this, just for the hell of it, we can just kind of look at what we've got here and here. Yeah, you can kind of see. I would also say here, we'll just get really goofy. Like I said, this is extemporaneous. Here and something like here. These are layered charts, by the way, which we introduced quite recently. And maybe stretch it a little bit from the bottom. No, other one. Don't mean to waste your time. I am just curious about this. Kind of like so. And on the right. Yeah, you can kind of see what I'm getting at. Yeah. So yeah. That's the idea. So we'll get out of that mode right here and just go back to good old standard price history. So that's the All World Index. I just think this is quite a top, and we did pierce it on Thursday with some drama. Here's the Dow Jones Large Cap Index. Kind of the same idea, although you can see here we've been at this channel for the past, 13 years, 14 years now. And here too, we're exploring lower depths here, and we have been all year carving out lower highs and lower lows. And frankly, my only question is, when will this bounce exhaust itself? I'm not worried about lifetime highs anymore. I'm not worried about even the most recent major lower high being taken out. It's more like, have we topped out already? Will it top out this upcoming week? What have you? You know, like how long do we have to like drum our fingers waiting for the next sell-off? Here's the NYSE TMT index. I don't know what it is in particular. I just thought it was kind of cool looking. And plus, as with the All World Index, it has a eerie resemblance to the pre-financial crisis crash top. I will say again, there hasn't been anything like this in place for 15 years. That's why what happened this week is so cool. And Thursday and Friday's rally, all it's doing is giving bears another good chance. Here's the Russell 3000, not one you hear about an awful lot. Regular top, and then everything top up here. Trillions and trillions of dollars of Fed money later, we are sky high. Russell 1000, very similar situation here. And the small cap 600 index, see these unusual indexes I was digging up. You can see here, lovely top there. Didn't really break it yet. Still kind of in formation, but boy, is it pretty. My goodness. Getting to some of the more regular stuff you see all the time. Here's the Dow Composite going back to Jimmy Carter's era. And most recently, we had a rather dramatic break, getting lower than we've been for a whole year before zipping higher here into this morass of overhead supply. Here's the Nasdaq Composite. We broke below this very long-term trend line briefly. We're above it again now, but once again, lower lows and lower highs. This is just a stair step down. The Indo itself, is that really what it did today? That's rather comic. I'm just to verify that. Yeah, I actually couldn't believe my eyes. 834 points on Friday alone. So we bottomed on Thursday. We got as low as 32.2, and we got up today to over 34,000. So about 2,000 points. 2,000 points based on no economic data, just psychology. But look at this. I think the bulls are screwed beyond belief. I think they're too stupid to know how screwed they are. This is just like a gift from the gods when it comes to the bears here. Yeah, I could rally a bit more, I suppose. But their cute little market, their cute little bull market for 13 years, it's over. I'm pounding the desk here. It is over. It's just going to be, one rip down after another. So I am not only not bothered by the rally, I'm just sort of amused by it. I am smirking in their general direction. Here is the Nasdaq 100, and peaked way back around Thanksgiving, and it's just been stumbling down the stairs ever since. S&P 100, beautiful top here, cut below on Thursday, pushing above it now. BFD. A favorite, Russell 2000, range, break, new range, getting near the top of the range, certainly in the upper half of this new range. Teased it a little bit. We got below just a hair on Thursday, below January's low. I have every confidence that is going to be just taken out to the woodshed this quarter. Semiconductor index, the SOX. Look at this. I drew this new channel. Look where we peaked on Friday. Look where we ended up. Exactly at the midline. Isn't that cool? Here's the S&P 500, little object you may have heard of before, for 122 years. Back in the days of, this is the days of absolutely pure markets right there. That, my friends, is an actual market. It just so happens most of it's before the Fed was created, but this is a real market. This is more recent history. Regular top, everything top. And there's our Fibonacci's. Finally, the major market index goes back to Bill Clinton time. And there's the uptrend, which was broken due to COVID. And we zoom in here, and we have been slashing about violently for the past year, and we have attempted again and again and again and again and again and again and again to cut through this lower boundary. And when it does, I almost said if, but that ain't no if. When it does, because it's trying each time, it will be very dramatic. So that's kind of the overview right there. It's been an amazing week. I suspect next week will be maybe equally interesting, but certainly quite interesting. It's not going to be dull, that's for sure. And a lot of scheduled economic reports as well. So like I say, thanks for swinging by. I'll leave this up till Saturday morning. Maybe by then I'll think of something else to say. Bye-bye.